Hey, good morning. I'm getting ready to take you guys along with me to do my favorite summer, spring, and fall activity, which is to take a bike ride around Seaside Park. The weather is beautiful this morning. We're approaching Memorial Day weekend and we have a pretty gloomy forecast ahead of us. So I'm going to take the opportunity that I have now to get out in the sunshine and show you guys around town a little bit. So come along for the ride. When I talk about the barrier island, specifically, it's called the Barnegat Bay Peninsula, and Seaside Park, where I'm riding my bike, is the very southern portion of the peninsula. I'm starting about 2 miles north of the entrance of Island Beach State Park, which is the very southern portion of the Barnegat Bay Peninsula. Island Beach State Park itself is roughly 20 miles of straight road going north and south, and the winds there can be very punishing. So we're just taking a quick bike ride tour of the bayside of Seaside Park. I always like to take the little back roads off of the highway that runs north and south that divides the island in half from the bayside to the ocean side. So I always start out on the bayside going south. I love to look at different houses and see what everybody's up to, say hi to all the neighbors. This is the backside of the Seaside Park Municipal Marina. It's fun to ride through and take a look at the boats. On the front side of the marina is the big grassy area where we have farmers markets and weekly fun events for the community. Now I've wrapped around to Bayview Avenue. Lots of beautiful houses here and never-ending views of the Barnegat Bay. On the right, you'll see a quick view of the Seaside Park Yacht Club, a really great mainstay of the Seaside Park community. Lots of sailing and social events that happen at the yacht club with amazing sunset views. As I continue south, the next point of interest is the Fifth Avenue Fishing Pier and Bay Beach Park. Both great places to spend some time. Barnegat Bay is one of the largest coastal bays on the East Coast, stretching about 42 miles along New Jersey. It's home to more than 500 species of plants and animals, including blue crabs, clams, ospreys, and dolphins even. It's protected by Long Beach Island, which acts as a natural barrier between the bay and the Atlantic Ocean. Barnegat Bay has been an important center for fishing, boating, and shellfishing for generations. Seagrass beds in the bay help clean the water and provide shelter for marine life. It's a popular destination for all kinds of water sports. The sunsets over the Barnegat Bay are known for their incredible colors and calm reflections. This is the 13th Avenue Fishing Pier and public boat launch. To access both of these places, you do need to have a beach badge from Seaside Park. I'm now riding through a part of what used to be called South Seaside Park. Recently, South Seaside Park and Seaside Park have merged into one community of Seaside Park. The differences are impactful for the town services and the tax rate for what used to be South Seaside Park. I'll do another video in the future about that annexation and all of the changes that have come about because of it. But it's a very interesting time as South Seaside Park has been trying to secede from Berkeley Township for decades, and they were finally given permission to do so. This is the end of the bayside portion of my bike ride. I'm approaching the gates of entrance of Island Beach State Park, and I'm going to swing around north to head up towards the boardwalk and the beach to ride home. This portion of the island has some of the best dining and entertainment options available. Bum Rogers, Berkeley Cut, and Island Beach Fish Market are some of my favorite places to go to eat and to spend some time, have drinks with friends, and just enjoy the great weather. I've made it up to the beach side and up to the boardwalk. I love riding my bike on the boardwalk through Seaside Park. It's a non-commercial boardwalk on the southern portion of town, and most of it has recently been redone, so it's a nice smooth ride. We have a great dune structure in Seaside Park that's protective of the boardwalk and the homes, so you can't really get a great view of the ocean from the boardwalk, but I'll give you a peek at the end of this video. Thanks for coming along for a ride with me through Seaside Park today. I ended up at J Street, and here is a peek of the beach and the ocean on what is a magnificent day just before Memorial Day weekend. I hope everyone has a lovely weekend. Bye! I created a fairly comprehensive relocation guide, and there's a link for that in my bio. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.